Printing to a Canon device. Open your document, select File, select the print option, and then make sure that you have the correct machine chosen. Under Printer Properties is where you're going to make your different selections. Right here is where you have the one-sided to two-sided. Right now it's defaulted to single-sided. You can choose the two-sided option or for booklet printing. You also have the option for finishing, which right now it's defaulted to collate, but this is where you will also choose your grouping and your staple and collate. Another function here is your color mode. Right now it's defaulted to black and white, but you can choose color or auto color. Over here in the left-hand corner, this is choosing to show the display of the machine, where you can choose different paper trays, or you could choose the picture of the document, which will show you what options you have selected. For example, right now it's one-sided. You go and select a two-sided, it will show you that that document is now two-sided. Once you have all your settings set, you can hit OK and then select the final print option. Sending a job to the secure print queue on a Canon Advance. You're going to open the job and you're going to select the correct Canon device, select Printer Properties, and at the output method, select the secured print. It will tell you that it's going to a different destination. Select Yes, and then this is where you can put in the name and you can add a PIN code. I will add 5555, hit OK, select OK, and then make sure to hit the last print button. Printing to the mailbox on the Canon Advance. Open your document, make sure that you have the correct copy or printer selected. Printer Properties, go to your output method, select Store. It will just alert you that it's changing routes. Select Yes, and then this is where you can select your mailbox. Choose the mailbox you would like to send the document to. If you would like, you can enter the name here at the top, or you can just choose to use the file name that it's already saved as. Then you select OK, make sure to hit OK, and then your last print button.